Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 70k subscribers. Welcome to our friends on the TV. It's the AFCON qualifiers. Bafana 2, Uganda 2. I'm joined by Tabs.
Stu, how are you, my lady? I'm good. Let me start by congratulating Rowan Williams for getting a nominee as the
Ballon d'Or.
You are fooling yourself, Steve. It's not a Ballon d'Or. It's the Yachin Awards.
Yeah?
It's not a Ballon d'Or. It's a Yachin trophy.
What's that?
Under the Ballon d'Or. People are lying to themselves. They're saying it's a Ballon d'Or. It's not a Ballon d'Or.
Oh.
It's a Yachin trophy under the Ballon d'Or. Oh. It's not a Ballon d'Or, Steve. Steve, you are the same as people who are saying Rowan Williams is the #1. People are really lying to themselves, Steve.
Yes.
Rowan Williams, just because of a nominee, Steve, you have become the best in South Africa.
How?
Steve, we still have in the country. We still have our Andre Arendse.
Yes.
We still have our Brian Baloyi.
Yes.
We still have our Itumeleng Khune. I didn't even want to talk about Itumeleng Khune because of it is disrespecting to talk about Itumeleng Khune and comparing him in the same sentence as Rowan Williams.
Is it?
Itumeleng Khune is the best, Steve. It's just unfortunate at that time opportunities were not available.
Yes.
Tammy said it very well about the involvement of Dr. Patrice Motsepe plays a big role there. Not by envelope, but by making Infantino. Remember, he was Infantino in the AFCON. He was always with Infantino on his side. Yes. So it's not difficult for him to tell him, please watch this player. I'm not saying you must put him, please watch this player.
Yes.
So he's really opening opportunity for South Africans.
Exactly.
So, but it's a good thing for him. We are not really. Remember, I was the one who was vouching for him to be the player of the season. People were denying him, but we don't care. But he's the good. But they must not compare him with Itumeleng Khune.
Never.
So coming to the game, still on goalkeeper.
Never.
Steve, we have many goalkeepers in the country. This guy from Bukbagrish using the medicine from Bukbagrish. No, we are tired, Steve. We were tired of Pesita. Right now, Hugo Bruce, you must listen, we are tired of Velimoto.
Yeah.
We have many goalkeepers in the country. We have our State Stephens from Stellenbosch.
Yes.
We have our Sipo Chaino, who was in there in the bench. Yes. We have our Ricardo Goss, the best goalkeepers in the country.
Right.
We still have our I'm telling you, Brandon Peterson is better than Velimoto.
Peterson, what cheese?
Even Musalibusha is better. Musalibusha is a clean sheet in MTN 8. He's better than this guy. No, we are tired, Steve. This is not something to laugh, Steve. No, I'm telling you, even right now, Senzomi was standing in his grave, Steve. Yeah. We are tired of Velimoto. You are getting many chances, but you're not proving yourself. Same as Nico Mobi. He didn't play, okay. Nico Mobi didn't play, yes. But I'm tired of always seeing Nico Mobi in the squad. I'm tired.
Yes. He's
getting chance, not upping his game, like same as like Pesita.
Yes.
We have many players who can play the very same position. We still have quality players in the country. Bruce, we have one quality players. No, but we have quality players, Steve. We have quality players that can play good at that position and Hugo Mobi. We are tired of these nonsensical things, Steve. But the game, Steve.
Talk.
I have a feel too. If you think Tito Masongane is better than Tembazwane, you're lying to yourself. You must go to hospital and check or you are well now.
Yes.
You must get a physiologist, a minology.
Yes.
Still all the things that end up with logist.
Right.
Still a scientist, accountology. Yeah. Everything is Still. Yeah. Still Tembazwane for quality straight.
Best.
I think currently he's the best player in South Africa. I don't care who says what.
Over Tito.
He's the best player.
Over Tito
is nothing. Tito is just a one season thing. We're still waiting for him to see him this season. Yes, Tito if he performed this season, but he's far away from Tembazwane. Again, you're disrespecting Tito when Steve. No. You can't put Tito Masongane in the same sentence as Tembazwane.
I can't.
Tembazwane is competing there with our Dr. Khumalo. Even Dr. Khumalo is up. Maybe he's up. He's up there competing with our Stephen Pienaar. He's up there competing with the legends of South Africa. Tito is still coming, still a newbie in the industry, still a cookie in the industry. Still coming.
He's still what?
So it's cookie.
Cookie. What is cookie?
Rookie, yeah, rookie. Oh, Steve. You must remember. You must remember. English. No, my brother. English. It doesn't die. You must remember. You must remember.
still a what?
Ah, wait.
Still a what?
No, we are not good at English. Remember, today we are forced to talk in English because of we have fans. I was sitting with fans from Uganda. They said they are watching my fans way too. And I heard a certain brother last time he was sick. I don't know if he was drunk or what. He's saying people from China they are watching, so we must speak English. Yeah. So I'll speak English in respect of that guy. So, but anyways, Steve, let's move on, Steve. Steve, don't worry. Steve, I think in the 10, we have experienced the best right back in the county in Sailor Mudau, quality Steve. I was sitting yesterday. I received a message from Ashraf Rulani Mokoena after he won his game. He told me, Tabza, if this guy play very well, Sailor Mudau, you see a lacking of Sailor Mudau, please give him this letter.
Oh.
Please. Where's my letter? So he said I must give him this letter. saying, I said I can die for you. Please don't give up on me. I said I can take a bullet for you. Please don't give up on me.
Yes.
So go on a letter get to Eri.
Yeah.
I see if go Sailor.
Yeah.
It means Sailor played very well.
Exactly.
I'll tell you, Sailor, I don't know, man.
He's nice.
He's part of the wall of Jericho.
Yeah.
Quality players, Tibo.
Yes.
And when we are still going to other players, I heard people are busy criticizing OO. You know, last time when Afana was playing, people said Oshinapoli is not a good player. Because of, remember in South Africa, we have football club supporters.
Yes.
We don't have football supporters. People, they don't watch that guy when he plays against Polokwane City. People, they watch only 3 matches. When Kaizer Chiefs play, when Mamelodi Sundowns play, when Pirates play. They don't watch those small teams. If you go and watch those small teams when they play, you will see the importance of Elias Mukwana. Quality, not Elias Mukwana, Oshinapoli.
Yes.
Quality player in the county. I mean, that guy doesn't deserve to any Kaizer Chiefs. And I mean, Kaizer Chiefs, you know, they cannot get him because of they buy players. That guy deserves to play in North Africa or in Europe, I'll tell me. Same as Elias Mukwana, quality player. I'll tell me, just that today I didn't see him doing his job at quality player.
Yes.
Also Foster, I give him credit, play very, very good. Got chances and fortunately he did convert some of them. But the problem with our players, some of them, they're greedy. We got many chances which we should have converted, but, you know, greedy. So what can we say?
Man of the match?
Bafit, you're still asking.
Come on.
Best player.
Khuliso Mudau.
Tembazwa. This is disrespecting to Tambazwan. These people cannot sing. No, this is disrespecting.
Leader.
This one is
Leading Goma.
That's a quality player. He doesn't deserve to play for the current Mamelodi Sundowns. Quality players, Tibo. As Menyi said it, he cannot fit in the current system of Mamelodi Sundowns. But you saw him, he played very good here today. But I wish at some point, a Sugar Bruise, man, like, we needed a Tito, guys. We needed to sing the national anthem with Tito. We wanted a Tito at some point, but anyways, I hope when they go away, they're going to play very good against Uganda. I wish them a good luck.
Thank you very much.
Tango.